All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, the Miata is getting a new heart. Link in the description. Just this car has been through so much, you all know that. So we have a new engine right in that barn. That's gonna go in today. We have Daniel here. Daniel, thank you for coming over. How many times have you done this?
Oh, like 7 or so, maybe.
So,
give or take.
How many hours do you think it's gonna take to do this?
I mean, like 5 or 6 or so, something like that.
That's solid, because it would take us 2 days if we were doing it.
What is that in novice time?
That's true.
Yeah, novice time is different.
Novice time means it's gonna be like 10 hours.
Yeah.
Like 4 or 5 days.
That's 5 or 6 with everything going right. Because you never know with these.
Oh, so this one's gonna be like 3 days then?
No, of course not. That would be ridiculous.
And he was like, "F you, man, this is my vacation time. It's okay, this is my vacation home too, and I end up working all weekend." So
This is true. This is true. We're also gonna do a full engine teardown in a future video, not this video. We're mainly focused on getting the new engine in the car. So this video is gonna be a lot of time lapse, not much talking, but enjoy.
Do it again. All right, what are we doing?
Okay, so we gotta flush out the radiator.
Oh, it's f***ing gross. Dude, it looks like f***ing puke.
I think we found the problem. This guy was right there.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be there.
That's how it's supposed to be, right?
Yeah.
Oh, man, you don't need these.
That was the rod nut.
It's pretty bent, dude.
That was the rod
Oh,
nut.
yeah.
This looks like more pieces of piston. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's piston.
All right, guys, so quick update. How close are we from pulling it out, Daniel?
We only got a couple things left.
We already got half the motor out right here.
We've been going for what, less than an hour?
Oh yeah, less than an hour. We have to do like the trans. We have to undo the trans. We have to undo a couple of other wiring things.
Yeah.
And then motor mounts, and she's good to yank.
So close, dude. This is moving so good. All right, we are moving swiftly along. That is the old engine. That is the new engine. Right now we're kind of cleaning everything up. That one's a little bit dirty. We're cleaning that one up especially. Transferring the injectors over and some other miscellaneous parts. And before we actually put the new engine in, we need to obviously clean this engine bay. And as you guys can see, this is the result of all the experimental videos we've done in this car. Grease, oil, dirt everywhere. So we're about to power wash the hell out of this thing. All right, guys, day 2, Miata engine swap. We have it in. We got it in last night. So the engine is in, the power plant frame is in, the drive shaft is in. So now literally all we have to do is go and hook everything back up, all of the connectors, put the radiator back in. It's gonna be pretty smooth sailing from this point forward. So we should have it done in what, like 3 hours, maybe?
Ish.
We'll shoot for 3.
Dave, you should know not to put a time limit on these.
You're right. We'll have it done today. That's for sure. We'll have it done today.
That's the goal.
All right, so we're gonna take the old oil filter off the old engine. So
We
this
also
is,
found another hole.
okay, there's 2 holes. There's hole number 2 right there. Kind of curious to see what this looks like.
Well, it looks like an oil filter.
Yeah.
We gotta cut it open. She's empty.
She's dry. That's not good.
Everything's fine.
We gotta cut her open.
So we have Gabe underneath the car, putting the new slave cylinder back on. We got the wastegate arm that I made all hooked up. And we got the clutch almost bled. We're almost done. We're getting close. Any words, Gabe?
Almost there.
All right.
But anyways, we're gonna put some water in the radiator, and then we're gonna get my computer hooked up to the ECU, and we're gonna give it its first start. All right, the car is running, guys. That was pretty good for our first engine swap. Huge shout out to Daniel. He really helped us out. He was the reason why it went together so fast. So I think it took us less than 12 hours to do the entire thing. And there's still a little bit of cleaning up we need to do. It does run. We'll start it up here in a second. It drives pretty good. It just needs a tune and a couple other smaller things. The intercooler piping is hitting the alternator, as you can see right there. So we need to fix that. That should be an easy fix though. But motor sounds healthy, guys. By the way, I did pick this engine up for $300, so a little bit of a risk, but so far so good. The oil in it was clean. We changed the oil. We changed all the fluids. We also had to change out the motor mounts because the motor mounts were very old and rotten, and they just were not doing very well at all. Obviously, this right here is the old engine. I know a lot of y'all want to see a teardown, so we will be doing a teardown. That's gonna be the next video. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. I'm really interested to see what the inside looks like. That is the valve cover, and not much of a difference there, but we really didn't run anything in the oil besides the Marvel Mystery, which that is designed to kind of clean in the first place. It'll be intriguing to see what the head looks like, considering we ran Mountain Dew, Bud Light, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay, well, let's go ahead and start her up and see what she sounds like. Hopefully it starts first crank, we'll find out. A little bit of a rough start. A little bit lifter tick, that's normal though, it's a Miata. That about wraps it up for this episode. Thank you all so much for watching this. Again, there wasn't really much talking or narration because we were all focused on just getting this done. So a lot of time lapse. The next video won't be near as much time lapse. Huge thanks to Daniel for helping us out. He literally knows where every single bolt goes to. He can look at a random bolt on the ground and tell you exactly where it goes. So he was definitely a big help on this project. As for future plans for this car, we're done doing the crazy experimental videos with the engine. I'm gonna fix it up. It's my personal car, so probably gonna turn into an actual race car. Hopefully that's the plan. But definitely gonna get into autocross again and want to start drifting, but probably gonna pick up a different kind of car for once for drifting because the Miata has a very short wheelbase. It's not the best for going sideways. So other than that, we will see you guys next video with the teardown of the old engine. Update on Carl coming very soon. See y'all later. Peace.